Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your device is eligible. This avoids bricking. Once confirmed, make a full encrypted backup to Finder or iTunes and to iCloud. This preserves passwords and health data. Next, download the exact iOS 18 IPSWA for your model and check signing status with a trusted source. If Apple is not signing, you'll need saved SSH blobs. Now that files and backups are ready, move to prepare your computer and enter recovery mode. You'll now perform the downgrade. Power off, then enter the exact recovery or DFU sequence for your device. This ensures the bootloader accepts the restore. Connect to a Mac or PC that has Finder or iTunes. Hold Option Mac or Shift Windows while clicking Restore and choose the iOS 18 IPSWA. The tool will verify the image and flash, watch progress, and do not disconnect. If you used SSH blobs, apply them via your chosen signing tool during this window. Once the restore completes, set up the device and choose to restore your encrypted backup so passwords and data return. Make sure to update settings and test core functions. If apps or cellular fail, reboot and reapply the backup. If the phone enters a boot loop, return to DFU mode and reflash the same IPSWA. Sometimes repeating the restore resolves signature or transfer errors. Keep SSH blobs and restore logs for advanced recovery, and avoid forced updates until you are sure the system is stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.